So we start off today's video with this Toothpick Bowl DIY project. Now I actually really like the concept of this. You basically buy a box of toothpicks, layer them, and make this gorgeous bowl. Well, you gotta spray paint it first, but I love this idea. Beautiful gold. And then we have someone putting their wine corks to good use. Very cool jewelry holder. Wow. Loving this concept, especially if you drink a lot of wine. Really cool idea. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone adding in a chain to this pottery. This is such a really cool idea. I love the concept. Now, the reason why I like this is because it adds a little bit of edge to the pottery design. Such a cool aesthetic and nice texture with that as well. And then we have someone adding some rope to a bucket. So I'm guessing she's probably making some type of pottery. Or not pottery, but planter. Yeah, so she's putting it in the corner of her room. Adding the newspaper. Now this helps to make it look a little bit more aesthetic. So she added some stones there. You can do moss too. Then we have another wood-inspired project. She's adding knobs, really cool coat hanger design, nice and simplistic. And then we have a DIY by Miguel. So I haven't checked out his work in quite a while. But here he is designing some type of pedestal bowl, I'm guessing. Wow, I like the rope aspect. That also added a nice bit of texture. And then we just have someone painting an old vinyl record. I'm guessing they're going to make a bowl out of this. And that's a pretty cool design. You can put like your keys in there, knickknacks. So we have some cardboard here. Oh, gold paint. Oh, they did like framed grass or moss. Why put that behind the TV though? I don't get it. You can't see it. So we have another wine cork DIY. Oh, she's using that as like a jewelry hanger. Another jewelry hanger. Wow. Okay, so I will definitely not look at wine corks the same after this video. So here's another one by Miguel. Oh, really fancy wall sconce. Love the black and gold. DIY wall upgrades. Oh, whoa. I wish we would have seen what they used for this. Wow. That is so cool. And you guys already know I love gold in general, so yeah, I'm a fan. Looks like a really fancy bathroom. Alright, so here is another DIY by Miguel. Dollar store friendly, so these must be straws. Okay, so he has to be making a candle holder with this one. Oh, a vase. Yeah, I guess that would be too tall for a candle holder, unless you have like a big candle. Oh, I know what this is. The coffee syrup holders. I was just looking at these earlier today on Amazon. Oh, they already have flavors. They already have labels. Oh, that's pretty cool. And they put the coffee syrups on a little riser. This is so pretty. If you are a coffee drinker, you're a fan of this, okay? I got an espresso for Christmas. I absolutely love it. Total game changer for sure. And who doesn't like saving money by making your own coffee at home? All right, so this next DIY is very impressive. We already saw what it's gonna look like. So they basically put together these bookcases. They're boring, they're basic, and then they're turning them into more of like that plaster style. This would be a lot of work. Talk about a furniture flip though, like seriously. I'm sure it took a long time to do this. And it honestly looks like a built-in. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely stunning. They did a great job. But yeah, that's definitely a built-in. You can't do anything with that once it's on the wall. So here we have another DIY with some clear straws. Spray painted gold. So they're probably making a vase with this, I'm gonna guess. Oh, they're doing kind of like that Z Gallery layered look. Now this is actually a pretty beginner-friendly project, I would say. Oh, can you imagine? Oh, I was just about to say, can you imagine how this would look with white flowers? And they did that. Yeah, that was really cool. Okay, so this person has some contact paper and old paper towel rolls. This is also a very beginner-friendly project. So she's gluing them together. Oh, I don't know if I like this. The little gold beads. I think it looked good without it. Just my personal opinion. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about those gold beads. Alright, you guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like. And if you want to see even more DIY reactions, you can check out this video next.